Welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your DoorDash login error. So let's just get straight into the video. First things first, make sure that you are entering the right credentials. Make sure to double check it because sometimes you do mistakenly mistype, which does causes login errors as well. And the second thing you want to do is simply go ahead and force close your application and try to reopen it again, and that should go ahead and fix it. If that also doesn't work, then what you want to do is simply go ahead and ensure that you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between your Wi-Fi or your cellular data just to understand if it is your internet causing the problem. You can also turn on and turn off your airplane mode for 5 to 10 seconds, which will cause a quick refresh. The final thing you want to do is simply go ahead and open your settings, open general, scroll all the way down to transfer or reset, click on reset and reset network settings. Once you've done this and restarted your phone, it should go ahead and fix it. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.